Hello kids, welcome to a brand new video by Notebook. In this video, we will study all about collecting information and making some tables and diagrams called charts. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard about charts before? A chart is an interesting and useful way of representing information through pictures and graphs. Instead of just plain numbers, if you are shown information like a colorful chart here, don't you think it's so much better? It makes a big set of information clear and easy to understand. Let me now show you a small example on the benefit of charts. Consider the following numbers: 5, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. If I ask you to find out the largest number and the most common number among these, what would you do? Now, you will mentally arrange these numbers in an increasing order to find out that 8 is the largest. Using the same order, you will also say that 2 occurs the greatest number of times. Now, let us represent the same information using some boxes like this. We will use thin and tall boxes to show each number. Each box represents a number. The height of each box will depend on the number of times that the number occurs. Now, you can take only a single look at the chart and realize which number is the greatest and which number is the most common from the box sizes. As a result, charts make understanding large amounts of information much easier by smart visuals. The first step of preparing any chart is collecting and organizing the data. Let us learn this using an example. Look at this picture. Can you count how many red, green, blue, yellow and white cars are there? Now let us arrange this information in a chart. It looks something like this. This chart arranges the information in a table where we have color of cars and the total number of cars in that color. This is a simple chart. It clearly arranges and shows the information. Here we can consult the chart to find out that the most common color of car is red. That is so easy to believe. Don't you all like a red colored car? Now you must be thinking, what is the need of a separate chart? Because you can easily look at the picture and realize that there are most number of red cars and least number of white cars. Well, that is absolutely correct. This picture has only 10 cars and we can find any information from here as easily as we would by reading the chart before, correct? Wait, what do you think about this picture? With so many cars and so many rows, don't you think you will be totally confused and make many mistakes if you try to find some information? This makes it clear that when the information becomes too much, we need charts, or else any calculations we make based on these could be wrong. Now that we know what charts are and why they are so important, let us try another example. 18 students in a class were asked what would they like to become when they grow up. Their results are shown in this picture. From this, we can make a chart of their plans. So this chart is so much easier to read and find more information. Using this chart that we have created, let us try to answer a few basic questions. What are the most unique professions? What do most of the students want to become when they grow up? How many students would like to become an astronaut or a chef? How many students would like to become a doctor or a firefighter? The answers can be easily obtained from the chart. We can see that only one student wants to start a business and one wants to become a rock star. Next, we can see that most of the students want to join the police force. 3 students wish to become astronauts and 2 students want to be chefs, 3 students want to be doctor, and 2 students wish to become a firefighter. Therefore, charts help us calculate useful numbers from a large set of information, which seems confusing at first. Most questions you will face in charts will involve making charts from information given and then using the chart to find out the answers to given questions. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. We will see you soon with another video. Until then, Team Notebook bids you goodbye.